good.
I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking that was not good. Well, compared to this, can you say whiplash? So we took it back and started with round off tucks.
Okay, do another one.
She tucks her legs without throwing her head back, which is a good habit to have so that you know how to tuck your legs without throwing your head back. Now, I personally think you should have a good standing tuck before you start round off tucks, and I'm pretty sure a lot of coaches would agree with me. She also used to throw her head back in her standing tucks, which she's gotten better, but however, this one, she did throw her head back, so we're not 100% there yet. And what I used to do is I used to put my hand on her neck and push it forward slightly so that she wasn't able to throw it back. This drill I really love because it's like a simulation and you don't have to do all the work and keep spotting over and over and over. It really helps with muscle memory.
Make sure your arms are going up, okay?
So here's where I go over to her and I'm explaining that her arms need to go up and open up her hips, and she's not paying attention. So I'm like, are you paying attention to me? She's like, yeah, okay. But there is a lot going on. There's pickleball on the other side, so it can be chaotic.
Reach. Yeah. That's okay. That was better though.
This drill is a very common drill. It's just jumping up and back to a mat. It helps with going up, opening your hips, making sure your arms are going up, and then of course the tuck without throwing the head back.
There you go. Remember, when you are doing it, it is round off, go up, like your back tuck over here, okay? Not throwing it back. Okay, that was better.